Hello everyone, this is Austin, and this is going to be the final system test of this fire alarm system I have installed. Yes, that's right, the final test of this alarm system, but there's more to come soon. And sneak peek over there, and some other stuff behind me, which you're just going to have to wait and see once it's all installed. So, we got the MT up there, and an 80. The Siga there. All this stuff's going to be different. At least upcoming. For sure those two. That eventually. So, yes, and the i3 up there. Go ahead, go to the closet, and same setup as before. MS10UD, the BG8, the key station from Simplex, UMMT, and then I forget the model number, but that's a Firelite smoke detector up there. That's actually a conventional one. So, we're going to do a quick test of this. I'm going to go ahead and we'll pull the Sega since that's going to be coming out. If you just caught what was on the floor in the closet, you may have an idea what I'm getting myself into. So anyways, let's go ahead and pull this. It is nighttime, as you can see, so I don't want to keep it going too loud. But there you go. So it's silent, so we'll go ahead and reset this. Help if I reset the pull station. Okay. Then reset. So that's pretty much it. Another thing I forgot to mention, the CO detector down there that's connected in has a supervisory. That will still be there with the new system, except some modifications to it. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the updated system. I'm sure you guys will like it.